Nature of partnership. What is partnership? When two or more people start a business and share profit and loss, they are called as partners, and the association between them is known as a partnership. The Partnership Act 1932 defines partnership as the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. The persons who are in the partnership with each other are individually called as partners, and jointly that partnership is called as firm. The name which they carry out the business is called as firm's name. Features of partnership. The essential features of a partnership firm are two or more persons. There should be at least two persons to start a partnership and having common goals. The maximum limit of members can be 10 in a banking firm, but for other businesses, the maximum limit is 20. Agreement. It is an agreement between the partners to share profit and losses of the business. This agreement can be written or oral. Business. There should be some business to carry on in a partnership firm. Only co-ownership of a property does not mean partnership. Mutual agency. Business can be carried out by one partner on behalf of others, or everyone can carry out the task. Each partner carrying on the business is the principal as well as the agent for all the other partners.